And that is why you do eyeshadow before foundation.
I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are playing in some new makeup because I got the Hello Kitty Colourpop collaboration in the mail. So if you want to see more about this, then let's go. So I got this in the mail, I opened it up, and I was surprised for a couple reasons. One, I feel like everybody and their mama done collabed with Hello Kitty, okay? I feel like you can think of multiple Hello Kitty collaborations, but you can't really remember like who it was that was collabing with them. You're not a real brand until you get a collab with Hello Kitty or Barbie, okay? And two, the collection is actually cute. I was like, wait a minute. And I see colors I can actually use. So had to do a video on it. Let's go through the things that are in the collection. So they've got 4 eyeshadow palettes, and I'm pretty sure they run on like the same color of the packaging. So this one, called Pineapple Cake, will be like more of a yellow palette. They've got this pink one. Ooh, don't fall. They've got this pink one called Cherry Sweet, which looks like this. They've got a blue one called Cocoa Cutie. Ooh. That looks like this. And then the last one is orange. This is called Teeny Keeny, and it looks like that. You know what? Why not just use as many colors as we can? So starting out with the orange palette, I'm gonna take this Hula Hoop shade as my transition shade. And these little palettes have mirrors. You can always tell. Ooh, powdery. Ooh, you can always tell which collections have the budget. I mean, I'm gonna have to wipe down my face after this, but at least you can see it, I guess. Jumping into this yellow palette, I'm gonna use this shade. This one, I'm trying to figure out which one I wanna use. This one, this lighter matte yellow. And I'm gonna focus that, okay. I'm gonna focus that over here. I put the other yellow on top because at this point, why not? I'm gonna take this orange from the orange palette. Actually, that one's kind of giving a little red, so I mixed it with that orange. I'm just going to put that right next to the yellow. And then this pink shade, which is kind of giving a little purple in my outer corner. And just, oh, okay. And just throw that out here. Okay, so the next 2 things to talk about in the collection are the powder blushes that come in them. This first one is called Aloha Honey, and it looks like this. See, now, depending on the lighting you're looking at it, you're like, oh, wait, is this the right one? Hold on, let me open the other one first. The other one is Island Shine, and that looks like that. There. Yeah, I was right. This one, if you're looking at some promo pics, you're like, oh, finally, a brand gave us that straight up orange blush color that people have been asking for. But when you get this in real life, it is giving very like coral orange type blush. I'm gonna use this one for today's video. Let me look at this one again. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna use Aloha Honey. Now, she's as powdery as the eyeshadows. Not all that, just for my eyeshadow to do that after setting spray. Do y'all see that? The only reason I don't fully hate it is because it's kind of giving like that animal print, leopard print. Like it was intentional, it was clearly not. Really? I'm debating if I want to fix it because like I said, it's kind of giving that was intentional. I have an idea. It's gonna take forever, but y'all see where I'm going with this, right? Right. Clearly not the look that I was going for, but you know what? When life gives you lemons, just make lemonade. Or squeeze them in life's eyes, whichever one you prefer. The last thing in this collection is this lip balm set, which I already ripped. Listen, this video is testing me, okay? It comes with 3 colors. The first one is Tropic Cutie. That looks like this. That smells good. That smells like gum. That smells like sweet, like fruity gum. This is Fun in the Sun. Looks like this. And then the last one I have is Hello Fruity. That looks like this. They smell really good. So I'm gonna use Fun in the Sun, which is the one in the middle. And that is it for my face today. Now my thoughts on this collection. The eyeshadow, I mean, you saw what it was doing on my face even before the whole setting spray thing. Very powdery, fallouts all over the place. However, it was still kind of giving like a little, like it's weird. It's a weird type of formula, which I'm not used to with, well, actually, I am and I'm not used to, because I've tried colorful eyeshadow from Colourpop. It was doing what it had to do, okay? Even the shimmer that I used in the blue palette in this look, it wasn't really doing anything for me. So it's like I'm kind of used to their colorful eyeshadow being their better eyeshadow, but it's giving kind of like chalky application, but you can still see the colors, you know, that. And again, compared to some of the other things I've tried from Colourpop, like that's still a hit for it, but I'm not that wowed on the eyeshadows. The blushes, I like the colors that they came out with. They show up, they apply nice, they look nice on the face, but they've usually always had nice blushes. And the lip balms, they're pigmented. They're actually thickums for a lip balm, which I'm not mad at, and they smell really nice. Shockingly enough, I think the lip balms are what I like the most out of this collection, but definitely the blush and the lip balms are what's doing it for me in this collection, which is kind of sad because like the palettes are cute, but again, like I said, I've tried better colorful eyeshadow from Colourpop. You know, I swear sometimes they'd be like, oh, you thought you were gonna get everything you want out of one collection from us? Pigment, application, you thought you were gonna get all of that? And nah, you might get like one thing that you want from us. Now you're doing too much asking for all that. That is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of picking up this collection for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.